Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to boost your posts using your phone on Facebook. And before I proceed, my name is Timothy Omatule, and on this channel, I create content on how you can grow your business online and how you can make money online specifically. And if that is the type of video you want to watch, you want to educate yourself and build yourself, why not subscribe to my channel so that you can receive more video, and make sure you ring the notification bell so that anytime I upload awesome videos like this, you will be notified and watch and build yourself up. All right, without wasting your time, let's move straight to the video we have today. So I'm going to log into my Facebook now and show you how to boost your posts. And in my previous video, I showed you the reason why you should boost your posts. For the first account, if your account is new, you need to boost your posts to familiarize yourself with Facebook terms and conditions. Okay, okay. So I am logged into my Facebook account now. To be able to access my page, I will go to click on this hamburger icon here, and the moment I click on that, it will take me to this place. Then for me to see my pages, I will click on these pages here. So far I have 4 pages on this account, and if I click on it, it will take me to my pages. These are my pages, and this is the one I want to work on. This is the one I want to boost, and I click on it. It will take me to my page here, and here I will look for one of the posts that I can boost. One of the posts that complies with Facebook ad policy. Okay, the one that complies with Facebook ad policy. And make sure any post you are posting on your page should always comply with Facebook ad policy so that your page will not be restricted. I'm going to leave the link to ad policy guideline in the description of this video. Make sure you read their policy carefully so that your ad account and your page will not be restricted. All right, so to boost your post, you are going to see boost here and tap on it. Okay, so if you tap on it, now these are your goal. Automatic, you can leave it to automatic, get more website visitors, get more engagement, so on and so forth. Okay, then this is your budget, and let's say I want to spend only 1,000 naira. So I will drag this slider down like this until it gets to 1,000 naira, or I can edit it manually here. And once that is setting, then this one is the number of days. If I want to reduce it to 1 day, I will click on this minus icon to reduce it. Okay, so I'm reducing the number of days now. So this 1,000 naira will be spent on ad for 1 day. Okay, and that is all. Then the next thing is I need to add money to it. To add money, you scroll down like this to this place, and you are going to see add money here. Or if you have never boosted your post before, what you will see is add payment details, and I recommend that you use PayU. Don't add card, rather use PayU so that your account will not have issue. Because if you use uh, postpaid, your your account may have problem because of Facebook may find it difficult to take their money, and if they find it difficult to take their money for several times, the next thing is to disable your ad account. So to avoid that, always use prepaid and use naira. Don't use dollar. Always use naira. Okay. So if that is taken care of, I'm going to click on add money, and it will take me to where I can add my card. Okay, now you see it here. All right, so I will add my card here. I'm going to select this PayU. That is the one I will select. Select that one and hit add fund and hit add fund. And while it's still loading, on this channel, I create content on how to grow your business and basically how to make money online. And in case you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload awesome videos like this and help your business. Now add more, add your payment details. You are going to add the numbers on your ATM card. You add the expiring date. You add the name, your name as it. You are going to add your name as it appear on the card. Then you see the back of your card. You are going to add the CVV, and once you add all that, they may send verification. They may send a one-time password either to your phone number or to your email address, so that they want to verify that it is you. And once it is verified, your money will be added to your account, and within few minutes or few hours, your ad should be approved and start running. And if you run for one day, then after that you can now go to creating of business manager account. I have a video on how to create your business manager account, and I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Click on it to gain access. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If this video has helped you, let me know in the comment section. Also, ask your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.